Yes, yes, it's me. Why not me? Who else? I thought it's supposed to be us. Yeah, man, I'm there with a legendary artist, you know. Yes, man, I say. Yeah, man, Mashy, word, compressor.
Haunted, compress them out. I mean, I say, yo, you don't know how much the word I represent. I mean, I say, why not us? Why not me? Why not you? We can make a better future and a better world. You know what I mean? Before the green card, me don't get the dream car. From me a little youth, me a scheme hard. Use a sneak out, go sleep on my girl yard. Days upon days and them don't know where we're gone. We are drew on them out, they gonna step hard. Before the crew and the entourage. Me didn't know me a go live large. Me no pay tax, so me have to hold a trump card. 4 months abroad, me hear me youth born. So me start power up Jimmy Neutron. School fees, school bag and uniform. Tell her if she not breastfeed, milk lukewarm. When me do the homework and I never mind. I'm my best friend's sister, so me never mind. She first give me head ahead of time. Now we have girl naked like summertime. First class foot room, me need a lot of space. Square feet every room, we have a lot of space. Let me drop from the top, I see a lot of safe. See them lock and them key, yo, it's not a safe. Catch a boy in my sleep, him not a proper wake. When I see the fire stick, yo, a lot of steak. Dead them!
Mad, Mashy word, compressor. I hate man. Yes, man, I say. Nothing else.
Boston, where I represent, from Jamaica to Boston. Our world, our grounds. Your girl, our girl.
Bless up.
Dead them!
Bless up.
It's us, right?
Yes, it's us. Why not us? I thought it's supposed to be us. Yes. See, that's the summers them the same way. Don't play with the artists, you know. The artists know in we around the kitchen and all these things, you know. Yeah, man. I hate man.
Cuisine.
Yeah. You don't know anything going on. Support, you know. Support. You know, you worry them there do the right thing. That's the man I say so. I hate man. Just drop it on my inbox or whatever the situation may be. I'm making know the date and the time and the place. Bless up. And we do customized catering too. And we cook every day. That's the man I say so. I hate man. Bless up.